Hello, my dear viewers. Oh, what a day! Wow. Well, my dear viewers, this is the Dukas Copy webinars, and you are watching your favorite show, Forex Trading with Rakesh, on the Dukas Copy webinar YouTube channel. Welcome, MGA. Welcome to the live stream, and hello, Desert Island. I welcome you, both of you. So, guys, those who are new here, let me tell you that I am. Dukas Copy is a trading community member. I am not an employee of Dukas Copy Bank, okay? I am just an independent trader. So we'll just be talking about charts here. Waldi 2022. Hello, welcome to the stream. I hope you are new here. So what do we do here? We see the major currency pairs and we try to analyze them as per the price action. We do not use any indicator whatsoever, okay? We do not use any indicator. We just do some naked price action analysis, and then we try to bring out some key areas of importance in those charts, and then we see how we can use those key areas to our advantage in the trading. Okay guys, that is all that we do every day here. We do this streaming from 16:30 GMT, that is 4:30 p.m. as Greenwich Mean Time. Waldi, where are you from, my friend? If you don't mind me asking. So guys, by the time he's introducing himself, let me tell you that we'll be only talking about the technical analysis in this program, and we'll be using candlestick charts for our analysis. And at the end of the session, I will be taking questions from the viewers. My suggestion is that you write your questions in the chat that is live, and I'll try to answer the question as and when the situation arises. Last thing I want to say you in the introduction part is that whatever I say in this live stream is only to increase your knowledge. Okay, please do your own research before you put your money on the line. All right, so let me take you through the risk disclaimer, which is the standard, and then we will focus on the charts. So this is government required risk disclaimer. I'm supposed to show you this because the currency exchanges or currency trading involves substantial risk, and you should know that there is a risk involved. So please go through this. If you have time, pause it and understand it, digest it completely, and then only hop onto the charts. First thing first, charts. Dollar index. So guys, we do it every day. Okay, so you are from UK. Good to know. Good to know that you are from UK. So we have a viewer now from the UK also. All right. So guys, this is the 4-hour chart of dollar index. I have intentionally kept the 4-hour chart. Hello Clara, long time no see, welcome to the stream. Nice to see you all here. Okay, so I would have maybe disappointed you today because I was going to cancel this live stream today. I was so less in energy. I was so tired, but still I thought that somebody must be waiting. Actually, I came here for MG and Desert Island, but I was not aware that Waldi and Clara is also waiting. So thank you for being here. Thank you for cheering me up. I think I can take this session of an hour or so now without any problem. Okay, so here we go. My intention of keeping this chart on 4-hour is to just show you that it is very easy to predict the price action when you have your accurate levels on the charts. Okay, so yesterday we were talking about here that 103.02 is coming directly under this rectangle, which was first area of support from where the price broke out to the upside, and then the sellers came in and pushed the prices lower than this, gave a daily close lower than this, guys, gave a daily close lower than this, see here, and after this, whenever the price went here, it found resistance. Now let me show you off here. So after this close, whenever the price tried to go here, it found resistance and could not close above 103.02. Now this is the thing. And now the next target that we are looking for here is 102.37, which I'm thinking that it will be a minor support, not a major support. It will be a minor support. But on the way down, we have major support around 10065. Also, this low here may provide some support. I'll clone this and put it here. So you see this area around 101.35 that can also give some support to the dollar while it is coming down. But the ultimate support is 100.65. Why it is so? Well, you see this this impulse here. This was stopped by this low, one thing, and secondly, I think I had gone in the past, not here, but on the weekly or daily maybe. I think I have traced it back to this area. See these highs here, these highs on 11th of May 2020. All right, so you know now, right? Now let's talk about euro, but before euro, let me take you the daily again. So here now in this dollar index, we have the immediate resistance at 103.02, and we may get some support around 102.37, but if that is taken out, then 101.35 will be exposed. All right, this is how we generally talk, Waldi. We check the levels on the dollar index. Okay, now we know that the market structure is down, the price is tending has an intention to go down, so we are expecting a down move, but to what extent it can go and where we can look for booking the profits if we are short in this one. So we are looking to book profits close to 102.37. now if you are very aggressive and you want to keep hold of your short position in the dollar here, make sure that you trail your stop loss with every 4-hourly candle or maybe every 1-hourly candle or so. So when my intention here to tell you is that if you see that the price strikes here, in the process it must have made something like this, like from here also it has made something like this, right? If it does so, then your stop loss will come somewhere here. Once it makes a lower low and then it makes a lower high and then makes another lower low, your stop loss should be trailed to this level. This is what my intention is, so that you can lock your profits. And even if the price strikes the support and break your say stop loss somewhere here, then also you have made some profits. That is my point. I hope you are with me on this. All right, so let's talk about the euro. Well, euro has breached this area. Yesterday we were talking about this area, that is 1.0759. Above this I said that I will become a buyer, okay, and below this I will become a seller. Now only problem here is that, okay, I will tell you what is the problem here. We should not be a buyer still. Why? I will tell you. Well, from here I'm just taking from here, the market structure was up, okay. After making this high here, the price make a low here, then it makes a high here, then it makes a low here. So the structure is broken, but high structure is still not broken. If you see, boom, because after this high, price made this low, but it did not make any high higher than that. So essentially the market structure to break, it has to break through 1.1032, right? It has to break through this high. Okay. It has to break through this high here, this high here, for the market structure to break to the upside. But at the same time, it is not a selling market structure. Why? Because the market to become a selling structure, the price has to breach below this low, which is around 1.0482. Yes or no? MJ, you know the market structures now. Now you know. So these are the two extremes that the price has to go. But in between, it is like when it is consolidating, it is making lower highs and lower lows here, but then it made a higher high and lower low. So this, I'm just talking about this price action here. From this price action, from this price action, the price broke out to the upside now. That's why I'm saying, okay, now it is a buying for some time. To what extent? It can go up to 1.03, 1.1032, where it might find resistance. Actually, it can be a confluence of multiple resistances. Okay. How? You see, this was a trend line. It was being followed nicely. Then it got rejected. When it got rejected, the price came down, it went up, and price again rejected. So this trend line again rejected the price to the downside. It is again going to the same level to test this trend line. This is a monthly line, not a daily or weekly. So expect a huge resistance when you are hugging this line again. Now this is also in line with 1.0936, which is the recent high that the price recent high, which we are expecting as the resistance. So if there are more than 2 reasons for the sellers to go short. So expect more and more sellers jumping in here to push the prices lower. Okay, that is one thing. But as of now, it has breached through this previous high. We'll break this. It has breached through this previous high of 14th of March, and now expect some up move in this at least till 1.0936 area maybe. Okay, from where we can expect some sell off. I hope you are with me here in this one also. Okay, on the lower side we have support very far, which is horizontal in nature, that is 1.0482. the rising support may be provided by, or the dynamic support may be provided by this rising trend line, which we have created by joining these two lows. All right guys, Great Britain pound, Australian dollar, 665 Australian dollar. Upward looks very busy. Yes, busy, or in other words, you say that there are a lot of resistances here. So it is difficult. It is not at all impossible, but it is difficult. At least till 1.0936 it is difficult. Once it clears this area and gets rejected at 1.032, 1.1032, here it can get okay, then something like this can happen. Okay, like if it has cleared this area, maybe this level will start acting as a support and then push the prices up. Okay, Great Britain pound, this is 1 hourly. We want to see what is happening on the daily. Well, on the daily it doesn't look good. The price is trading at the day's lows and is headed quickly towards 1.2121 area, which I'm expecting to act as a support. Let's see how the things unfold, but it has already met the resistance at 1.2262 yesterday also and today also. So it has not been able to cross this resistance level, and believe me guys, this resistance level I have not created today. From these candles you may feel like, oh, Rakesh is using the market price action blah 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 afterwards. No, I am keeping my levels like this. Okay, there are no too many of levels. My levels, there are 3 levels here, right? 1.2262, 1.2203 and 1.2121. so these are the 3 levels that I'm keeping an eye on. GBP USD, it has gone through one level, 1.2203, just like that. That means the next level, that is 1.2121, is what I am watching now. Okay guys, so from this price action it is so perfect. Sometimes you might be thinking, oh, Rakesh is drawing it them afterwards. No, I'm drawing it before. Yeah, I'm boasting actually that my levels are my levels are getting respected, but I'm proud of it, and you can also be proud of yourself when you start doing it by yourself, because I'm teaching it all and all free. Okay, so the thing here is that this channel may provide some support to the price here, but I'm getting a vibe that the price is going to test 1.2121 again. Now see, this is an important area. Why I have marked it with a trend line, a horizontal line and a rectangle? Because this area here has been a very good area of resistance and support. You see in the past, you go as long as you want to go, and you will see, I don't know what is the significance of this number 1.21212. People are trying to originate their positions from here. So when the price again approaches this region, I will be alert and I would like to trade this maybe in the direction upward, because the market structure is up. All right, makes some sense guys. But right now 1.2121 is support, 1.2262 is the resistance. Okay, Australian dollar, well, I was hoping that the price will go higher, but I also had this rectangle on my way. Okay, like I told you, but that the price has to clear this and then act, this 0.6782 may act as a support, but it did not happen. You see, this level rejected the price badly. But one thing you notice here is that the price broke through this falling channel, and now it is trying to strike again at this channel's high. Of course the channel high is falling down, but it may still provide support to the price. Okay, it may still be able to provide the support to the price, and I'm feeling like, yes, there is a possibility that the price may go up from here very sharply. And also this is a falling wedge now. Also, this is a falling wedge, guys. This is a falling wedge, right? See this? This is a falling wedge. So expect either the price to break down or break out. Anything is possible. But I'm expecting a breakout because this falling channel's resistance line will keep acting as a support as the price is coming down on this. Okay. Upside 0.6665 is the resistance now. On the downside 0.6584 is the support, guys. About the New Zealand dollar, similar lines, almost the similar lines as in case of the Australian dollar. It has broken below this rising channel's support line. It has broken below this confluence of supports actually. 0.6188 is taken down. Well, if we see a close below this, then this 0.6155 will be exposed, and anything below that, I should not keep this mark. I should include this low here, 0.6139. If we see a close or even a breach of this level 0.6139, the next level, that is low of this previous fall, that is 0.6083, that will be exposed in the New Zealand dollar. All right, so these are the levels that you should keep an eye on and expect some sell off in this market, at least till 0.6139. So we still have 40 points or so to go in the New Zealand dollar. On the upside, we have resistance at 0.6188. On the downside, we have support, immediate support at 0.6139. Nothing much on this. USD JPY looks interesting here. Is trying to go higher than these highs. You see how the price detained. Okay, how this level around 132.28. Now again, guys, I want to tell you something about this one. This is well, this is 132.28. Was not here before 0600 hour today. If you think, no, it was not so, guys. This level of 132.28 was always there even before all these candles came into being, came into existence. My level was here because this is not an hourly level. Okay, this is a daily chart level. Now how this came here, I don't know how to say you how it came, but yes, this level was here. Okay, guys, that's all I want to say now. And now I am expecting the price to move higher towards 133.92, provided it closes anything above these highs, which I am thinking in next 10 minutes it will do. All right, guys, I think only Desert and MGA can appreciate what I'm trying to say here. So guys, after break from these highs, this is a very minor high. Okay, after break of this high, I think the price is directly going towards 133.92. Although I'm thinking that these highs may provide some resistance. Okay, so I'll just mark them also on my chart. So yeah, 133.77 area may be of importance, and I am thinking that this price action can lead to 133.77 today. Yes, it is possible. How much is the range here? 133. Okay, not today, but yeah, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow it can lead you to 133.77, maybe tomorrow. Okay, make sure that you join me tomorrow also, so that you can have an idea about how my levels behave. And something to notice here, guys, this was the high which was rejecting the price. Once it breaks out of it, we said that this is what will be rejecting the price, and this is what will be acting as a support, 131.81. You can go and watch the webinar of yesterday. Okay, guys, so now my intention is to maybe make a line here, because this line will be in line with these lows here. Okay, let me check. Yeah, these highs and these lows are in line, so 132.62 may be a minor resistance here again. Okay, but expect 133.77 maybe tomorrow, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe today, whatever thing happens. Okay. On the lower side, we have 132.28 now as a crucial support, guys. US dollar against the Canadian, something big is cooking here in the last 4 hours. A huge volume, bullish engulfing at the support area. Now, those who have seen my webinar yesterday, they have seen that the price was trying to break down from here, and I told you guys, we have a plan. When the price comes back to this area, we will be buying this. Okay, and this is a hint that I am going up. This candlestick right now, which is forming, is a hint that I am going up. If you want to join, join. If you don't want to join, that's your wish. So if somebody has taken risk here, he is rich already. But if he has not, then it's not a problem, because I don't recommend that also. But here on the 4-hour, there is a market structure break right now. Okay, so there is a market structure break, and you can actually buy this on another pullback, at least on 1 hour. So what I'm expecting here now is boom, boom, boom. This is what I'm expecting. Why? Because this high, which the price has broken, may be tested again before the price moves up again. That's my point. On the upside, 1.3832 is the immediate target, although we are targeting 1.4 here. Okay, but this is the immediate target, or you can say the lowest hanging fruit, in case you are long already. USD CHF, I'm bearish on this one, guys. Why I'm bearish on this one, I'll tell you. I should have been bearish at 0.9370, but I'm bearish right now. Why? Because after this candle here, the price tried to consolidate for some time, but now it has even breached the low of this consolidation pattern. Now, if the low of the consolidation pattern is broken, that means those who wanted to buy, I show you on 4-hour. This means that those who wanted to buy this market here, they are now out of the market, so their stop losses are triggered. So whenever the price goes up, they will be looking for a selling opportunity, which they are already doing. So expect at least these highs around 0.9164 to be achieved, and later on we can see this low, which is 0.9070 in this market. This is, guys, this is how you should mark your levels on your chart. Although I did not mark it, I want to mark it. Okay, mark it, not mark it, mark it. So this low here and this high here is what I'm thinking may provide some support to the price on the way down. Silver, well, we are bulls in the silver, but 23.12 is the resistance which I'm expecting. Although there is a clean breakout from 22.01, the price has not tested this level 22.01 after that. Well, today's price action is still suggesting me that there is a possibility of price going lower to 22.01, where it can find some support and push towards 23.12. Right now we have support at 22.01, we have resistance at 23.12, and there is nothing new in the silver as of now. There is a clean breakout to the upside, so expect this level to act as a very good support when the price comes to 22.01 from the top. Gold, well, gold has triggered all the targets, that is 1998, and now we are expecting gold to take support at around maybe 1937, maybe at 1907, maybe even 1885. Anything can happen, but it has to take some support before it makes a move to 2070. It has taken the targets yesterday at 1998. 2070, I think, is the target which you should be targeting, although there is a pin bar, but it's not bearish pin bar, so we can still consider it as a pullback at least till 1885. But if it goes beyond 1885, then this becomes a selling market, guys. All right. Brent crude has taken the first and the second, second and third. Actually, it has taken all the targets, but we are still expecting the Brent to go lower towards 69.24. This can be a dead cat bounce, and if the price is able to trade comfortably above not this 75 now, but this high here, 75.88, if the price starts trading comfortably above 75.88 area, then I may be cautious in this one. But I will still say that if you are looking for a selling opportunity, then 77.58 and even 80.39 are very good areas of opportunity to go short in the Brent. USD ZAR, we are bullish in this one, guys. We are bullish with the targets of 18.7165 and later on 19.33. All right, so this is our target. But why? Because the market structure is up, okay, and after taking here this support, I'm expecting at least this 18.7165 to be achieved in this one, or at least tested in this one. And if it breaches this one to the upside or breaks higher than this, then the next that is 19.3381 will be exposed in this market. On the low side, we have 18.49964 as the support. Bitcoin. Who remembers Bitcoin is going to 32,417? Who remembers? Let me know in the chat. Who remembers that Bitcoin is going to 32,417? Now, sometimes, guys, I just write it here, what I believe, so that you don't have any this thing that Rakesh says anything that you want. Bitcoin is going to test 32417. All right. Now this is established. Let us see if tomorrow or maybe day after it reaches 32,417 or not. Okay. On the downside, now we have support at 27,188, and lower than that we have support at 25,207, guys. Euro JPY. I'm bullish on Euro JPY again. Why? You might be thinking that this guy switches his positions very fast. So you see, no, this is very hodgepodge. Let me clean this up for you guys. All right, this one is also. So here, yeah, if you switch to the monthly, you see that the monthly structure of the market was uptrend. Okay, uptrend. No, there is something wrong here. After making this, after making this high, the price made this low, then it made this high. I can explain this on the weekly. So you see, on the weekly, this is the market structure, right? So if the price breaches below 137.34, we become sellers, but it never did that. Yeah, what was the low here? 137.38. What was the low here? 137.34. So it went to 137.34, but was rejected at around 137.38. That is almost 4 pips away from that. So somebody tried to save this low here from getting triggered. And if he has saved this low from getting triggered, so will he not save this low again when the price comes here? So yeah, the point is that the buyers are interested in this market, and the monthly trend is up. The weekly trend here was down till here, and then here it becomes up. Now, okay, from this here, okay, so price made low, lower high, lower low, higher high, but again lower low, lower high, lower low. Till now it is all right. Then again it made a higher high, higher low, higher high, but lower low. Now the problem here is that if I just remove these two here, then it becomes this low. 137.34 becomes your pivot here. If that is taken out, then we have started making lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. Yeah. So if 137.34 is holding, I do not become a seller, at least on the weekly. Now on the daily, we had well, 137.34 again here. All right, and the price was making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and here it started making higher highs and higher lows, but again it came back to this area, and now it is on the verge of going higher, but it has not still breached 137.34. That means on the lower areas there are still buyers, and 142.14 was very crucial area for us. Why? Because below this area here, you see 142.14 area, the price consolidated for a long time, and then finally it broke out of it and started taking support at this area. Yeah, for some reason it got sold off on 15th of March very badly, but still was able to manage to stay above 137.34, for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days, and finally today it has broke out to the upside again. Now it is trading 142.56, which is well above my previous support area of 142.14. Therefore, I am now bullish again in this one with the stop loss, not stop loss, but with a support area of 142.14. So because I am expecting that if the price goes down from here, then 142.14 will be acting as a good support, and you can see this actually on your 1 hourly candlesticks. Can you see that? When the price went lower here, it was rejected again, and now the price is going higher. All right, guys. So what are the targets? Let's talk about the targets. First target that I can have here is this previous high. So I'll just mark it like this, 145.56. After that, we will have this target, a subsequent target of 146.72, 148.39, and so on. All right, guys. I hope that this helps. On the lower side, below 142.14, we have 141.40 and 138.82 as the support levels. Euro GBP, euro is going good against the pound. Well, this is for hourly. On the daily, there is a breakout. On the daily, there is a breakout. The price has broken out even above 0.8823. Any close above 0.8823 will open the way to 0.8863. Any close above that will open 0.8921. Although the range is very small, I will say stay away from this market. Do not be tapped in the market which is having a bearish structure, because we are looking for a lower high to be formed in this one. I will show you how. If you join these two highs and the first low that the price has created, which is here, or if you can say the swing low that you want to keep an eye on, then this is the structure that it has made. Whenever the price goes and tests this falling channel, it will get rejected. It may be rejected. Okay, not will get rejected. That is a very sure thing, because I'm not sure whether it will be rejected or the price will go through it. But yes, this is an area where you should be looking for your bearish rejection. All right. Index, I'm bearish in this one. I'm bearish in this one. Not today, from a time immemorial. Not time immemorial. I'll show you on daily why I'm bearish in this one, guys. Okay. You can see even I have shown you the trajectory, possible trajectory that we are going to take. Okay. I told you that this 3993 area is a huge resistance. I'm not saying I'm any operator, but it made an intraday high of 3998, just 5 points above my levels of resistance. Now these are the levels, these are not the points, but these are the zones of resistance. Why? Because this has a horizontal resistance at 3993, this has a falling trend line which is passing through this zone. And I told you specifically, if you remember, that on 22 March, if the price is at this range, then it will get rejected very badly. I said that it will get rejected very badly. Now, do you want to see how badly it got rejected? Now, I will show you on 1 hour. Wow. What do you call it? Is it good or bad? Because this is a bearish engulfing on 1 hour. All right. All right, guys. So yeah, this is a zone of resistance. You should not be trading in this zone. You should not be trading in this zone with the hope that the price will go up because they have broken these highs. No, these highs were broken because the stop losses were to be triggered. Now, as soon as the stop losses got triggered, somebody became a seller. All right. Somebody has become a huge seller. Do you see the volumes? So yes, I think this market is going to go and take a dip to 3885 area here. All right, guys, let me take you to the daily again. So what our anticipation here is that the market is going to 3885 and maybe even lower to 3763. But for that, we need a closing below 3885. Right now, the resistance is at 3993 area. The support is at 3885. That's all, guys. Euro, Australia against Australian dollar is magnificent move. Oh, see. Today it is almost taken its target of 1.6224, which we are expecting it to take right now. Maybe today it is just 40 to 50 points shy, and this can happen today or maybe tomorrow. Okay, but do not open any trade right now because it is very close to the resistance. So stay away from this pair. Just enjoy the show. That's all I want to say. Ethereum has not broken higher than this resistance. but maybe if it is able to break above this rising channel, then it can bring floods of buy orders, which will push the price very fast towards 2028. All right, guys, Ethereum can open the floodgates of buy orders if it breaks and trades above this rising channel's resistance line. So this is the dynamic resistance which is being provided by the price right now. Any close above 1785 will reinforce a move towards 2028. On the lower side, we have support at 1707, and before that, now 1785 will be acting as a support. Last pair of the day that I'm going to discuss is Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. Well, it is finding support at the lower levels here, and right now it's trading above the resistance of 96.22. Next level of resistance may be posed by 97.26, but I'm expecting 98.70, because if I get that price, I'll be very happy to short this pair with a small stop loss above 98.70 and targeting 97.26 and 96.22 and 94.63 as my 3 targets in the future. But if you ask me, are you going to sell it at the current price? No, I'm not, because the support is very close. Maybe I will be looking for a selling opportunity at 97.26, but not lower than that. That's all, guys, from my side. I hope you get some idea about the levels of support and resistance that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just keep in mind not to risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat and I will be very happy to answer those questions. Now, if you like this webinar, please press the like button below this video. It will help me in the YouTube algorithm. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is produced, and you can also consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. If you're new to the channel, this is not my channel, this is Dukas Copy's channel. I have my different channel. If you want to copy that, if you want to follow that, please follow me on the Bulls and Bears. You can write me on Skype at NiasSoldier123. This is good that we can talk to each other. We can discuss more if you want to. And that's all, guys. Have a very good day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace.